Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mary Joy Bagares Ong. I am 37 years old. I have three children and three sisters. I'm the first in the family.
Where do you live?
I live in Block 8, Lot 22, Barangay San Manuel 1, Dasmariñas City, Cavite.
Are you single or married?
A single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three.
How old are your kids?
The first one is 16 years old, second is 15, and the last one is 1 year old.
Okay, do you have brothers and sisters?
I only have three sisters.
And you are the?
First one in the family.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My father.
Are you a high school or college graduate?
Yes, I am a high school graduate, but taking up a vocational course.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
I worked before in Hong Kong. I worked before in Hong Kong, sorry, in 1 year and 4 months.
Okay, why it's only for 1 year and 4 months?
Because my employer moved in China.
Okay, what are your main duties with them?
Just taking care of the house and taking care of the elder.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong again?
Because in Hong Kong, the, uh, a high salary compared to other country, and I will I want to save and earn money to save money to for the future of my children.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to cook.
Like?
Like chicken steam, fish steam, chicken in sweet and sour sauce, chop suey.
Okay, are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them good manners, teach them how to speak, write, and sing a nursery song.
Okay, can you give some example of a nursery song?
Yes, some. Um, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am, I'm afraid of dog.
How about the cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
About myself is I'm an honest person, hardworking, patient, and obedient.
Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I am a hardworking and responsible to my work. I will do my very best to do all my duties. I will love your family, and if you have a children, I will love them as my children. And hope I will see you again. I hope you will see you. Thank you.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.